quick update before the review. We actually want to start owner's review, reviewing your own car on our channel. So we actually need your help. And we want to make this global tour, but why don't we start from Korea first? I'll leave my email below here, so let me know a little bit about your car and also let me know your contact number if you're interested. Okay guys, now let's get back to the review. Hello, welcome to Asian Petrolhead. Today we have a camping car from Hyundai. Well, I'm not a camping car expert, but we're going to try to show you everything you need to know about this camping car. So before we begin, if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, and let's get started. So let's start with the name first. So why Hyundai Porest? Well, because this camping car is actually based on Hyundai Porter. Porter is the working horse from Korea. It's actually cap-over truck with flat face. That is where the name comes from. Hyundai Porter plus rest. Okay guys? So this Hyundai Porest is actually based on long wheelbase model of Hyundai Porter. And let me just give you dimensions quickly. It's about 220 inches long, about 83 inches wide, and about 115 inches tall. So as you can see, it's very, very tall. And if you have seen Hyundai Porter or Hyundai H100, it looks pretty similar from the front, right? And just like I told you, this is cap-over truck. That's why the cap is sitting on the front axle. Still Hyundai logo right here, a few openings on the bottom, and we also have burp type headlamp system. So let me just show you working in more detail. That's DRL, headlamp, high beam, turn signal, and this is the fog lamp, and this is what horn sounds like. Okay guys? So guys, where's the engine room? Just like I told you, this is cap-over truck, so it's actually located below this seat. Our tester actually has 2.5 liter diesel engine, which makes about 133 horsepower, 191 pound-feet of torque. Engine is mated to 5-speed automatic, and it's rear driven. Now is about time I give you 0 to 60 times, but let's not do that today because this is a camping car, right guys? So no international pricing has been given yet, but direct conversion, this Hyundai Porest will actually start around 41,000 US dollars and will climb all the way up to 72,000 US dollars. So guys, do let me know what do you think about the price, and let me also show you the car from the side. From the side, we have this large side mirrors, and let's see, our tester is wearing 195 70 by 15 inches up front, still wearing full caps. This is the main entrance with the trash can right here. I'm going to show you the inside very soon when we get to the camping side. We also have a cartridge to remove the waste from the toilet, so that's nice. And we also have this shower outside. We also have one inside, but let's say you're coming back from an outdoor activity, you can certainly clean your feet right here. It also gives you both hot and cold water, so that should be very nice. And we also have a very large storage area here. I can't even get in here like this. Yeah? Okay, let me also show you the car from the driver's seat. We have analog gauges on either side and the RPM gauge going the correct way. Very nice. We also have 3.5-inch screen in the middle showing various information to the driver. And we also have air vents on the either side, physical and buttons for the climate and media control. Very nice. We also have a USB charging port, ESC off, lane departure warning, 12-volt charging, gear selector, cup holder here, emergency brake, some storage area here, and also glove box. And we also have a ventilation seat just for the driver's seat. Okay, now let's go out to the road with Hyundai Porest camping car. Okay guys, now on the road with Hyundai Porter. So let's start with visibility. Rear visibility is actually blocked, so you're gonna have to rely on this 2 side mirrors. Like I told you, size is pretty good. So once you get used to the size of the car, I think it's not that hard to drive. It's actually pretty okay. And is there any 360 camera? No, there's only parking sensor, which will guide you with sound. Yeah. So how's this 2.5 liter diesel engine, which makes about 133 horsepower and 191 pound-feet of torque? I think it's pretty decent for this car because first, you won't be racing this car against anybody, and because its peak torque starts around 1250 RPM, so you can really enjoy low-end torque. Still pulling. Yes, it's not fast, but it's actually pulling this camping car without much stress. So I think it's, pretty decent. Yeah. So let me also show you the 5-speed automatic working in action. We don't have any paddle shifters, so let's use the gear selector. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Of course, new 8-speed automatic shifts a lot faster and smoother, but this 5-speed automatic seems to be doing its job very quietly. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So, I think it's pretty decent for this camping car. Yeah. So this Hyundai Porest also has few driving aids. It actually has a camera sensor on the windshield for lane departure warning and for collision avoidance. So this car will actually apply the brakes for you to avoid front collision, and just like right now, it will alert you with alarm before going off the lanes. And no adaptive cruise control, but this guy also has regular cruise control, which will help you greatly on your long distance journeys. Yeah, pretty good. We have a camera detector coming right up here, so this guy doesn't know, so you actually have to decrease speed on your own. And this Hyundai Porest actually feels not super stable on high speeds, but I think it feels pretty quiet for a camping car. But yeah, this car was not meant to be a passenger car. This is a camping car, so I think you should drive slowly with this car, okay? And it's got decent brake, but once again, this is not a sports car in any means, so you have to drive very carefully, okay? But I think this will be very, okay, very stable and comfortable long distance cruiser if you just drive slowly, okay? Alright guys, finally we have arrived to the camping site, and let me also show you the rear design. I think it looks generally very nice for a camping car. Like I told you, it starts with P, not F, okay? Porest, and it also has few parking sensors below right here. And let me also show you this feature. This Porest also has something called a smart room. It will actually, the other way, this part will actually extend about 80 centimeters, which is about 31 inches, to give you more interior space. I think it's a brilliant idea. So guys, do let me know, what do you think about this smart room in the comment section. You have to be pressing the button for safety, so I think that's also a very, very good idea. And it's also put an awning on the top, so to stop the debris from falling on the top. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let me also show you the interior, which is the most important part of this car, I guess. We also have a small kitchen right here made of stainless steel. Small faucet, not much water left, but we also have a small window right here, some lamps on the top, drawers with locking mechanism so everything won't fly out when you're driving. Small microwave here, lots of drawers here, and also large refrigerator. That's our dinner. actually. And we also have a small shower booth right here with the shower right here, some toilet, one toilet, and this one actually folds down like this or like that. So it's actually pretty nice place to be, and when you're done you can all close everything like that. Okay, and a few drawers here with locking mechanism, so that's pretty good idea. We also have an air conditioning on the top, and according to Hyundai, in eco mode, when the car is fully charged, it will be running for about 6 hours, so pretty nice. And we also have a fan for ventilation up here. You guys don't know I'm about 6'2", and there's also a bed here. And this part is where it was extended, so that's quite big difference. And I'm 6'2", and you know, it's pretty good. So it's very comfortable, and you know, if you're shorter, I think you guys can sleep on the either side. And let me also show you the move to the front, because we have a few more things to show you. Okay, and these two benches can be turned into 2 passenger seats facing forward. Let me just show you. Can pull the seat up like this and add this just 2 cushions like that, and voila, we have a passenger seat facing forward like this. Hold on, just get in here, and we also have a seat belt here. So yes, this camping car was actually designed for 4 people. Okay guys, and this table can be turned into a flat surface also like this, I think, I hope. So yeah, it's not perfect, but you can actually also sleep like this too. Okay, let me just show you one more thing, which is called smart bed. So where's the bed, right? Actually, it comes down from the top. When you're done with using the table, you can actually lower the bed like this. It actually extends all the way, it connects. So you guys don't know I'm about 6'2", and they also give you this ladder. So I think your kids will really, really love this. Can climb up there. You guys don't know I'm about 6'2", and look, it's actually longer than the bed behind. So it's actually very, very nice. I think even 3 people can sleep comfortably back here. I mean front here. Okay, and it's got a TV, 24-inch TV right here, and we also have 2 USB charging ports on the bottom and 1 220-volt charging, so it's got pretty much everything. Alright guys, this has been our review with Hyundai Porest, not Porest. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with more car reviews. So before you leave, if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel, and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, see you soon, and stay healthy. Bye bye. And when the bed goes up completely, the light comes on like that. Okay. So how's the ride? Well, it's got leaf springs at the back, so it feels like your commercial vehicles. So let's try the corner on this on-ramp just a little bit, okay? Not too much. This is camping car rides. So yeah, the steering wheel doesn't feel that direct, and it's top heavy, so, but actually yeah, the steering wheel doesn't feel that responsive, so you have to be careful. But yeah, it handles better than I thought. Yeah. So there's lane departure warning. Okay.